Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Acquire your own modern day estate by capitalizing on this opportunity to own three amazing buildings on 4.8 acres of lush scenery located on Goshen Road in St. Elizabeth. Your personal retreat awaits you. Come home to a relaxing space, whether indoor or outdoor. House number one features a grand entrance with a foyer, elegant staircase, bar on the balcony, dining space, dedicated laundry room, granite kitchen and bathroom countertops, and a garage. House number two is a potential income earner or a modern space to house your extended family and friends. Outdoor allows ample garden space, farming activities, rest and relaxation. This off the grid opportunity provides privacy as it is fully fenced in, a quiet community, but accessible to all amenities. An extraordinary space from the hustle and bustle where you can truly bask in your present day castle. A warehouse is the cherry on top with potential for conversion to a one bedroom, two bathroom unit. The opportunity awaits for a discerning creative investor. Cash in on this hidden diamond. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 800,000 or Jamaican $123.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.